Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Connections, then Wi-Fi. This targets the active network because Android stores keys for connected SSIDs. Once you tap the current network, make sure to select the Details or Share option. On Samsung, a QR card often appears. You need this QR or Share panel because it encodes the password, so prepare to capture it with your phone camera or a second device for the next step. Once the QR appears, authorize with your PIN or fingerprint because Android protects stored credentials. This is why you authenticate. Next, hold a second phone camera up to the QR or open a QR scanner app to read the SSID and password clearly, since the code decodes into plain text. If your Samsung shows a copy or export option, tap it and paste into a secure note. Make sure not to close the share dialog before copying, so you won't have to re-authenticate. You finish by pasting the decoded password into the target device and connecting. This confirms success and avoids guesswork. If your scanner can't read the QR, increase screen brightness and steady the camera, because glare or motion blur often breaks decoding. If there is no share or QR option, make sure your phone is updated and not restricted by a work profile or admin. You may need to ask the network owner or use a trusted backup device to retrieve credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.